The four smart students. One night, four college students were out partying late night and didn't study for the test, which was scheduled for the next day. In the morning, they thought of a plan. They made themselves look dirty with grease and dirt. They went to the professor and said they had gone out to a wedding last night, and on their way back the tire of their car burst, and they had to push the car all the way back. So they were in no condition to take the test. The professor thought for a minute and said they can have the retest after 3 days. They thanked him and said they'll be ready by the time. On the third day, the professor said that all four were required to sit in separate classrooms for the test. They all agreed that they had prepared well in the last 3 days. The test consisted of only 2 questions, with a total of 100 points. First question for a point. What's your name? Second question for 99 degrees. Which tire burst? A. Front left. B. Front right. C. Back left. D. Back right. They regretted shirking their responsibility. Moral of the story: take responsibility or you'll learn your lesson. Smart. Intelligent or able to think quickly in difficult situations. Why don't you fix it if you're so smart? Schedule. A list of the times when events are planned to happen. The class schedule is available on the website. Plan. A set of decisions about how to do something in the future. What are your plans for this weekend? Grease. Any thick oily substance. You ought to put some grease on that hinge. Professor is a teacher at a college or university. He was my favorite professor. Tire. A rubber ring usually filled with air that fits around the wheel of a car, bicycle, or other vehicle. Most cars now have radial tires. Burst. To break open or apart suddenly. I hate it when balloons burst. Push. To use physical pressure or force, especially with your hands, in order to move something into a different position. Can you help me move this table? You push on a elbow. Separate. To make people move apart or into different places. At school, they always tried to separate Jane and me because we were troublemakers. Shirk. To avoid work, duties, or responsibilities, especially if they are difficult. If you shirk your responsibilities now, the situation will be much harder to deal with next month. Regret. A feeling of sadness about something said or wrong or about a mistake that you have made, and a wish that it could have been different or better. I left school at 16, but I have had a great life, and I have no regrets. Responsibility. Some things that's your job or duty to deal with. She takes her responsibilities as a nurse very seriously.